guys, this is part 2, like I promised. Yeah, this video is gonna be funny too. The other one, people are saying it's pretty funny. So if you haven't checked that out, you can check it out below, I think. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. So here we go. Alright, so
We can get that right.
we're the big black cunts. And, see, we like sucking off people, so we're gonna make this really
Thing
crappy.
1, thing 2, thing 3.
So I feel so trapped when I pound. Da 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 da. Hey, we're all Black Rain. Today, we haven't posted in a while, but today this is a new song. Actually, we made this song, so yeah, I hope you enjoy it. It's what's it called again?
It's called Guy.
Yes, I think it's called it's called Fuck Me the Ass. It's just called because that's what just happened.
They have the laugh back. The laugh disease.
Hey guys, this is Black Rain. We haven't posted a video in a while, but today we're going to be doing an original called Guide Me Home. Hope you enjoy.
We made it actually. So,
Yeah, it's original.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoy. We're gonna be doing originals from now on. We're also gonna be doing some covers, but mostly originals.
Yeah.
So please like, comment, and subscribe.
Here we go.
Silver and gold. It's hard at times. Feel like why God gave us people in to make us feel better, step around, all around. Baby, I'm not good enough for you. You got
What happened?
Something didn't sound right.
Couple things screwed up. Mark, in the beginning, you screwed up the drums. Jonathan, good job. Jonathan. Alright, I need to sit bathroom here.
We don't have a bathroom.
What?
We don't have a bathroom.
What's broken?
No, it's
Hey, this is Black Rain. We're playing a new one today. It's by a band called Google Dolls, and the song is called Iris. Yeah, hope you enjoy it. Please comment, subscribe, like it. We'll answer you right back if you have like a question or something. So, yeah.
And I'd give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I can taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your life. 'Cause sooner or later it's over. I just don't wanna miss you tonight. just want you to know who I am. And you can't find the tears that ain't coming for the moment of truth in your life. Everything feels like a movie. Yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they understand. And when everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. Don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they understand. And everything's made to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they understand. And everything's made to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. 'Cause I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know.
My microphone's off. Where's the snare? I need the snare.
No.
Why is my microphone?
I'm sorry.
Why?
I'm actually good thing in that because I messed up. We're probably gonna have to do it again.
Yeah.
Damn it.
I'm not saying it's a good thing.
Wait, so we can do it? Hello? Hello?
Shit on nuggets.
Go.
Shit.
Hello? Hello?
Shit on nuggets.
Keep going, keep going.
Who?
Tell me when it's right.
Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, look at it. Hello, hello, hello.
Right there.
Yeah. That's hot. That's high up.
Mark, redo it.
Don't want the world. Hello, 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 hello.
Hello? Hello?
I'm taking over such a big face.
Mark, come on, go. Pause it for 1 second.
Oh, you can get boats too.
Really?
Yeah,
Yeah,
keep
no, I
going.
tried to jet ski.
Oh,
I'm
really?
taking over. I think I'm taking over the biggest base.
You can shoot with your guitar like this.
Yeah, it's like
Stop playing, stop playing.
Alright, it's on low battery.
Alright, hurry up.
3, 2.
Oh, it's going up. Don't show that to my mom.
I will. What do you do if your mom saw? Yeah. Oh, look at him go. Pretty good.
Brad, look at that.
You're grown boy, all grown up. Oh shit. Took care of me.
Took care of him so
Ooh,
well.
especially on the gas, pretty good.
I know, he's heavy on the brake. Hey, take that to my mom. Shit.
Oh.
Oh, what if my mom came out?
Oh.
We're like,
No, I would run over there.
I will be so. I will be.
Oh, look at him go.
oh,
Is this his first time?
yeah.
Well, he had practice with the go-kart too, so
Oh, yeah.
it runs in the
Gotta
family.
thank you from that.
Yep,
Oh my god, get me up there.
yep. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Oh, he has too easy on the brakes.
Go fast.
Go back around.
Just go fast there for me. Oh, he's going down there.
Oh, shit. It's really my turn.
There's John's back.
Imagine we crash it.
What would your dad do?
No, my dad would take the blame for it. Oh, he's going pretty fast.
I don't think your dad would. Your dad's so chill. Mine's not.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. Dude, you're making me nervous. Oh, that was awesome. Oh, oh crap, he came close to that.
Yeah, I
car.
know.
No, what is he
I
doing?
think they should stop now.
I know.
Oh, crap. Oh, your mom. No, just kidding.
Oh shit! You just scared the. My heart was like, oh, and then it like started
Sorry.
pumping again. I was like,
Oh, look at the blankets.
You almost gave me a heart
It's okay.
It's okay. It's gonna be okay.
Look.
Oh shit, your mom!
Yeah.
Yeah, no. I want
Don't
to drive around in the truck like this.
I want to try so bad.
Wait.
I don't know how my guys
I won't
are.
let you.
What?
Wait, no, like, what if, like, your dad went in and we were just saying, would you do it?
Maybe.
I
Yeah.
want to.
Whoa.
Whoa. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think Jonathan's really happy right now?
Yeah. Dude, how would you feel if you could just,
I don't.
I don't know, I want to experience it so bad.
Oh, see, this is the good part.
Oh, he's so good, geez.
Oh, John.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. That was awesome.
Oh my god.
Dude, it
Yeah,
was
so
like,
you know, fuck me in the ass. No, yeah, that was a dry one. Yeah. So, anyways, yeah, I hope you enjoyed that one. That was a funny one. Oh yeah. Remember that? My stomach was hurting that day. Let's do that. And some people have been wondering about this baby. She's told Jonathan she misses your bass. I can't confront you. I can't confront you. I never could do. I wish might hurt you. So try and be cool. When I say it's way, the water's not away from me to this it every day. So I will make a part 3 if I find more videos, but till then, please like, comment, subscribe, and subscribe to Silence, and subscribe to my channel, Repeat. So, yeah, hope you enjoy.
We don't have a bathroom.
What?
We don't have a bathroom.
Broken.
So.